Hello students, let's talk about the term linear transformation or vector space homomorphism. The linear transformation is, let UF and VF be two vector spaces over the same field F, then a linear transformation from U into V is a function T from U into V such that T A alpha plus B beta equals to A T alpha plus B T beta. For all alpha and beta belongs to U and A and B belongs to the field. In simple terms, it is a simply T is a mapping from U to V such that T A alpha plus B beta equals to A T alpha plus B T beta. Let's understand this linear transformation with the help of an example. Suppose we have a function T such that V3 mapping from V3R to V2R, which is defined by a transformation T ABC equals to AB for every A, B and C belongs to R is a linear transformation from V3R to V2R. We are given with a function, or you can say a mapping, and we have to show that this is a linear transformation. Now let's take alpha and beta, where alpha equals to A1 comma B1 comma C1 as it is a V3 vector, and beta equals to A2 B2 comma C2. We are taking two elements A and B from R. Then let's calculate T A alpha plus B beta. Let's calculate T A alpha plus B beta. It will be T A into A1 comma B1 comma C1 plus B A2 comma B2 comma C2, which will comes out as A1 plus BA2 comma AB1 plus B2 and comma AC1 plus BC2. Again we are given with T ABC equals to AB. The transformation is given as in this form. We have, it can be written as AA1 plus BA2, and this is our B. It will be AB1 plus BB2. We can rearrange this as AA1 comma AB1 plus BA2 comma BB2. Take A common from this term. We have A1 comma B1 plus B A2 comma B2, and this A1 B1 will be the transformation for T A1 B1 C1, and this A2 B2 can be replaced by T A2 comma B2 comma C2, okay, which will be A T alpha plus B T beta. It means we have T A alpha plus B beta equals to A T alpha plus B T beta. That means the given transformation is a linear transformation. It means a T is a linear transformation from V3R into V2R. Next problem is, the mapping from R3 to R2 is defined by Txyz equals to x plus 3 comma y plus 3, and we have to find out whether this mapping or whether this transformation is linear or not. Let take two element from this field, this vector. We have, let alpha equals to x1 comma y1 comma z1 and beta equals to x2 comma y2 comma z2, and AB belongs to R. Then T A alpha plus B beta will be T A into x1 comma y1 plus z1 plus B x2 comma y2 comma z2. It can be rearranged as t ax1 plus bx2 comma t ay1 plus by2 comma az1 plus bz2. Okay, and from this given definition we can rewrite it as x plus 3. That means ax1 plus bx2 plus 3, comma ay1 plus by2 plus az1 plus bz2. Okay. Now let's compute at alpha plus bt beta, which will be at x1 comma y1 comma z1 plus bt x2 comma y2 comma z2. And from the given definition we have a x1 plus 3, that means first term plus 3, and then y1 plus z1 plus this transformation will be b into x2 plus 3 comma y2 plus z2. Again it can be rewritten as ax1 plus 3a plus bx2 plus 3b comma ay1 plus az1 plus by2 plus bz2, which is not equivalent to this term. Means we have t a alpha plus b beta is not equivalent to at alpha plus bt beta. That's why this transformation or this mapping is not a linear mapping.